Good evening po, ma'am. So, for your verification lang po, ano pong name at birthday po nila? Okay po, ma'am. So, ma'am, ako po si Elia Sandra P. Potilinghag. Isa po akong student nurse galing pong Calamba Doctors College. And ako po ang mag-a-assist po sa inyo ngayon for your removal po ng catheterization. So, ayun po, mayroon pong order po si Doc na mag-remove po ng inyong catheter. So, bago po ako pumasok, nala po lahat ng equipment or yung catheter kit po para po sa procedure po natin. And dahil na rin po akong gawin yung hand hygiene or hand washing po. So,
curtains around bed and close the door to the room if possible to provide privacy of the patient.
So ma'am, ngayon po, tutulungan po kayo sa pagtanggal po ng urinary catheter. So mabilis lang po ito at hindi masakit. So ipapaliwanag ko po mamaya ang process po, bawat procedure po na gagawin po natin. So, sa procedure po na to ay palalamutan po natin yung balloon na nasa loob po ng inyong urethral meatus. So, you might feel a light sensation po, no? Pero hindi naman po ito masakit. So, painless po siya. So, kapag handa na po kayo mamaya, dahan-dahan po siya maalisin. And then, pagkatapos po, i-monitor po namin ang pag-ihipo ninyo and siguraduhin po namin comfortable po kayo. So, kung maramdaman po kayong hindi po maganda or discomfort po during the procedure, please let me know po agad para po actionan po agad natin. So, ma'am, may mga tanong po ba kayo bago po tayo mag-start? Okay po, ma'am. So, ma'am, bago po tayo magsimula, tanong ko lang po sana kung meron po ba tayong allergy sa latex or iodine? Okay po, ma'am. So, magpo-provide po ako ng red lighting para po mas maliwanag at mas maganda po yung procedure po na gagawin po natin sa pagtanggal ng catheter kay patient.
Position the patient as for catheter removal. Drape the patient so that only the area around the catheter is exposed. Slide waterproof pad. Remove the leg strap, tape, or other device used to secure the catheter to the patient's thigh or abdomen. Insert the syringe into the balloon inflation port. Allow water to come back by gravity. Alternately, aspirate the entire amount of sterile water or urine used to inflate the balloon. Refer to manufacturer's instructions for deflation. Do not cut the inflation
Okay, ma'am, different po tayo.
Ask the patient to take several slow deep breaths. Slowly and gently remove the catheter. Place it on the waterproof pad and wrap it in the pad.
So, ma'am, pataas ko lang po ulit yung batok ko ninyo.
Wash and dry the perineal area as needed.
So, next is I'll assist the patient in a comfortable position and cover natin siya to the bed linens, and then magpuput ulit tayo ng clean gloves and then remove all the equipment and dispose according to facility policy. So, ayun na, and after nun, mag-remove ako ng gloves and mag-perform ako ng hand hygiene.